What is up, everybody? So today we're going to be doing something, a modification on the Razor. We're going to be adding the rock sliders to the side of the car. So in order to install these, all you need is a T40 star bit, and that's literally all you need. So this is what the rock sliders look like. I got them used because, well, they're rock sliders and they're going to get beat up anyway. But so for the install, you'll have bolts here, just the star bolts. There'd be 1, 2, and one up in the front here. Where is it? And then there's a third one. So that's all you're gonna do. I'll do one side in real time so you can see how easy it is. And then you guys, if you have any questions, just make sure you ask. But I'll get set up here and start installing it. What it's going to look like now. So I just got the green just so I can match the all the other suspension components. So that's how it's going to look. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about how to do it, I mean, I don't know, you shouldn't, but yeah, just leave them down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and then off-roading videos will be coming soon. As you can see, I have the GoPro mount up there finally mounted. I never put one on my old one. It'd been pretty cool to get the wreck on camera when I totaled it, but oh well. But yeah, if you guys want to check out my Instagram as well, it's gerb.it, just like the channel name. So be sure to come over and check me out, or check the channel out, and say hello. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.